Gam wrth gam mae Casnewydd wedi cael ei weddnewid ac mae'r prosiect cyntaf o'r gwaith adfywio gwerthuo sfiliynau wedi gwblhau. Mae pont troed a beiciau newydd gostiodd 5 miliwn wedi agor. Mae'r tirlun wedi drawsnewid bob ochr i'r afon. Wedi ei greu yn rowcod yng Nghasnewydd, mae'r bont i groesi'r afon Wisg yn cysylltu Dwyrain a gorllewin y ddinas, a bydd yn chwarae rhan bwysig i ddenu pobl yn syth i ganolfan siopa newydd Casnewydd, sydd ar hyn o bryd yn cael ei adfywio, buddsoddiad gwerth 200 miliwn. A hwn yw un o blith 50 o brosiectau a fydd yn cael ei creu rhwng Nawr a Chwpan Roedr y mae Cyngor Dinas Casnewydd yn gweithio arno mewn partneriaeth â chwmni Newport Unlimited, cwmni adfywio trefol. Mewn gwirionedd, gellir gweld yn glir mewn amryw o ardaloedd o amgylch canol y ddinas ôl adfywio Casnewydd, yn arbennig yn y Kingsway a Queensway a gorsaf drenau Casnewydd sydd wedi cwblhau neu bron a'i cwblhau. Dros y 4 blynedd nesaf hyd 2012, amcangyfrifir y bydd 3,000 o dai newydd yn cael eu hadeiladu ar draws y ddinas. Bydd nifer o'r rhain yn cael eu codi ar safleoedd tir llwyd, sydd wedi lleoli ar gyrion y wisg i'r dwyrain o'r ddinas, mewn ehangiad sylweddol wedi ffocysu ar ddarnau diffaith gwaith eirn Llanwern, yn ogystal â thiroedd i'r gogledd a chanol y ddinas. Fe fydd yr adfywio hwn yn gatalydd i ddatblygiad busnesau pellach a bydd y ffordd dosbarthu ddeheuol newydd sy'n cysylltu cyffordd 24 a 28 gyda chanol y ddinas yn ogystal â'r cynlluniau adeiladu ffordd liniaru i'r M4 yn creu effaith arwyddocaol ac yn denu busnesau newydd i Gasnewydd yn ogystal â chynorthwyau busnesau sy'n bodoli eisoes yno i fanteisio'r y cyfleoedd oherwydd yn hermau tyfiant busnes mae hwn yn gyfnod diddorol i Gasnewydd. Cydnabyddir Casnewydd fel y seithfed dinas o ran twf economaidd ym Mhrydain, yn ogystal â bod y ddinas wyrddaf ym Mhrydain, a Chasnewydd sydd yr ail dreth cyngor isaf yng Nghymru ac un o'r lleiaf ym Mhrydain. Nid yw'n syndod i amryw o fusnesau ddewis Casnewydd fel y lle perffeth i leoli hun. Dros gyfnod o 2 flynedd hyd at 2005, creuwyd bron i 200 miliwn mewn buddsoddiad sector preifat masnachol a chreuwyd 3,000 o swyddi ac mae uned datblygu economaidd y cyngor wedi dylio 500 o ymweliadau masnachol dros y 2 flynedd dan sylw, sydd wedi creu dros 500 o swyddi, gyda chwmnïau ymrywiol megis cwmni recriwtio Econ yng Mharclepa i gwmni teuluol Gemeli sy'n creu pwdinau yng nghanol y ddinas.
Finito! Job done.
Different high school. We didn't have trendy tops like that when I was in.
He's not taking you, don't worry. He's got this thing about cameras.
It's okay, so you're my sound man, yeah? Pointed that way.
I'm Munira Mizada. I'm from Afghanistan. I come 6 months ago. I like my school. I want to be a doctor and help people. And I think my teachers will help me in this. Thanks.
What they need is a bit of security, these children, because they've all been through a bit of trauma in their lives, a lot of trauma actually. I'm Jan Cartwright and I work at Dufferin High School for GEMS, and we support children from other countries whose first language isn't English.
I'm Munjahan from Bangladesh. I'm here for 1 year. I'm reading in Dufferin High School in year 10. I'm doing my GCSE courseworks and it's really nice.
In recent months we've had children from all over the world, from trouble spots all over the world, from Africa, Afghanistan, Korea, China. This has been new for us and we have about 30 of those children altogether. You tell her what it is, okay? So you all each speak individually. Say you have no idea yet. They're all amazingly bright children, speaking 4 or 5 languages, most of them, and they all want to be in a professional job, doctors, nurses, engineers. So if they are allowed to stay in this country, they can make a real contribution.
Hi, my name's Bethan. I'm a youth worker. I work for Newport Youth Service. We provide informal educational opportunities and activities for young people aged 11 to 25 across the city. We work with them in a variety of settings which include neighbourhood youth clubs, youth workers in schools, the Duke of Edinburgh's Awards, crime prevention programmes to supporting young people into education, training and employment. As youth workers, we're here to help and encourage young people to reach their full potential as individuals.
Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm president of the Newport Youth Council, and with the help of the youth workers and the info shop, I was able to become part of the NYC or Newport Youth Council, and it's really helped give my community, or the youths in my community, a voice. We've got a day called Talk Back MP19, and that's basically people in my community have come together and organised the day. It gives youths an opportunity to say what they think of our community and how it can be changed and things like that.
Hi, my name's Farah. I'm Vice President of Newport Youth Council. I'm also a member of the Streets Ahead project. It's based on young Asian girls. It's aimed at young Asian girls, and they've taught us how to do things such as sewing skills. We've also learnt how to swim. All the youth workers in the youth service are non-judgmental, and they're really empathetic to your situation, so they can help you out regardless of what your background is.
If you'd like to find out more information, you can pop along to our information shop.